Hey dudes, this is Guitar Hero.
Guitar Hero 3, man.
Guitar Hero 3.
It's like awesome, dude.
Yeah, okay, I'm about to play the most hardest song in this whole entire game.
Dude, you're awesome.
It's called
Through Fire and Flames, dude.
Through Fire and Flames, dude. Does it say dude at the end?
Yeah, dude.
That'd be awesome. Anyway,
alright, man.
I'm gonna
check
attempt
this
it.
guy out on his MySpace.
I'm awesome,
He's
dude.
awesome.
I'm awesome.
It's got it all full up of
You should-
YouTube videos, man.
Yeah, you should see me. I'm like,
I
totally do.
I'll video his fingers, right? Yeah, come on, dude. Come on, let's do it.
It's on expert.
Yep, here we go. He has to get in his pure concentration pose. Here he goes, here he goes. Look, zoom in his facial features. Oh my god.
Too hard.
Look at that. Look at them fingers. Look at them. You can do it, dude. Look.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. He hasn't even missed him out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, look, it's going. He's doing it. It's in his pose. yeah, man. He's doing good. That's fucking amazing. This guy is amazing. I need to sit down, it's too good. Look, he thinks he's a Ninja Turtle now. That's a good sign. He usually does this before he completes everything. He's good. Look, pure concentration. See that face? Look, he's facing the other direction. Come on. Show us your fingers, Oh yeah. Fucking hell. Everyone, this is the hardest song in the game. It's amazing. I can't believe he's actually doing this. Look at that handwork. Look at it. He's holding his guitar up. He's a rock legend. In his signature pose, the I'm shooting Nazis. Here we go. He calls this the elongated penis coming from the stomach, which is now he calls this the stand straight pose. You have to do them all in order, otherwise you cannot complete the song. As he's doing his two-stepping, his own hardcore two-step. It's nothing like you've seen before. Now he's doing his elongated dick while twisting around in circles. This guy's good. I should tell he hasn't missed a note yet.
Upside down.
Look, he's doing it upside down. Look at that. Look at that guitar upside down. Amazing. Look at him. He's doing it with his teeth. Look at that. Amazing. See, look, by doing that, he's finally fulfilled his destiny of becoming a guitar hero. We're probably not even halfway through this song. Look, he's doing it behind his back. Look at it. Look at that. Oh, look, he's pressing the buttons. Can you see? It's amazing, isn't it? It's amazing. Look at him go. Look, he hasn't missed a note yet. He's too good for that. Even if it sounds like he missed a note, he really didn't. Because he's done all of his poses, so it's impossible to miss a note. Oh, he's moving on to his next one. I'm a crazy lunatic pose. Dude, what happened? What happened, man?
That was awesome.
Did you complete it?
I completed the song, man.
Sweet.
Awesome.
Okay, go on, right.
See me on my back or flash.
Yeah, Jake, right. I'm just gonna take you back to the home now, is that alright? I've let you have your playtime, you can come and go back to your special home and with
Dude, was that awesome?
Yes, well done, you was awesome. No, Jimmy, don't. No, please, no, Jimmy. No, please. Please, I thought this. No, oh, right, she's going for a cookie.
Have a cookie.
No.